In this peaceful forest sanctuary, the bird takes a moment to stretch, basking in the gentle morning light.
As the first rays of sunlight pierce the canopy, the forest awakens, and the early birds begin their timeless melody.
She avoids noisy areas and chooses calm, hidden tree branch.
With careful eyes, the small bird shifts its weight, testing the branch strength with tiny feet before settling.
Content with the location, the small bird meticulously collects dry grass and twigs within the forest.
Driven by instinct, the female meticulously selects only the softest leaves to line her hidden nest.
Returning repeatedly to the site, the female slowly builds the intricate structure, weaving fibers collected from the forest floor.
The nest becomes round, warm, and well hidden.
The female meticulously lines the nest with soft downy feathers, ensuring maximum comfort for the eggs to come.
After days of work, the bird rests peacefully inside the nest.